Hello friends and potential friends. Uh-oh, look who's coming down off the roof. Well, another nice day here in Central Florida. It's about 80 degrees according to my weather station. Things are growing well, mostly bolting. Should have some tomatoes starting to ripen soon. But the reason I came out here other than the critters, I found some potatoes that were starting to grow in the kitchen. So I figured instead of letting them go to waste, I'll bring them out here and put them in this raised bed that I've got empty. So let's get into it. I know this is not the most thrilling video to be watching, but hey, it's what's happening today. So I think I'm going to put them about 3 wide and about a foot apart. That should somewhat fill up this end of the bed. And I might still do another succession of carrots at the far end. But, you know, they're just free potatoes. If I get as many out of them as I put into it, I'll be happy. I could have cut them, but I just didn't feel like it. Then I would have had to wait a few more days to let them dry. So I'm just going to put them in here whole. My calculations are correct. Roughly just before I head to Mom's this summer. Should be time to dig them up. See what's going on. And just that easy. 9 potatoes planted. Left room for some more carrots. Now I'm going to go see what these critters are up to. So just a quick video. It's what's happening today. Besides, it's so nice out here, I just had to get outside a little bit. Bit of a breeze. We're back into spring again. Supposed to be headed up around 80 every day in this week. And then there's another front coming through this weekend. And that's supposed to cool things off down to about our normal temperatures. But that's where we're at right now. So I'm going to get these watered in. And I'll see y'all next time. Oh, I couldn't resist. One of my cat pack. There's a couple more. That's Pally. That's Licorice over there. That's the Bandit. I don't see Rocky anywhere. He'll show up sooner or later. And I know Mamba was out with me a little bit ago. But anyway, that's it. Now I'm really gonna shut it off. See y'all next time.